Authentic influencer marketing. Authentic influencer marketing is a strategic approach where brands collaborate with influencers who genuinely align with their values and resonate with their target audience. It is about building real relationships based on trust and shared interests, moving beyond transactional arrangements to create partnerships that benefit both the brand and the influencer. This approach prioritizes transparency and ethical practices, ensuring that sponsored content is clearly disclosed and that influencers maintain their credibility by promoting products or services they genuinely believe in. In a world where consumers are increasingly skeptical of traditional advertising, authenticity is key to building trust and driving engagement. Authenticity is the foundation of successful influencer marketing, especially in an age where consumers are bombarded with marketing messages and have become more discerning. Authenticity fosters trust and credibility, which are essential for effective influencer marketing. Consumers are more discerning and can easily spot inauthentic endorsements. When influencers genuinely believe in the brands they promote, their recommendations carry more weight and resonate more deeply with their audience, leading to greater influence and persuasion. Authentic content is more engaging and relatable, leading to increased audience interaction, meaningful conversations, and higher conversion rates. Consumers are more likely to take action, such as making a purchase or visiting a website, when they feel a genuine connection with the influencer and believe in the message being conveyed. Authentic influencer marketing is not just about short-term gains, it's about cultivating long-term relationships with influencers who become true brand advocates. These influencers can become valuable partners who consistently promote your brand in a positive and authentic way, integrating it into their content organically and building lasting connections with their audience. Aligning with authentic influencers enhances your brand's reputation and builds trust with consumers. When influencers with a strong reputation and a loyal following endorse your brand, it reflects positively on your brand image and values, associating your brand with qualities such as trustworthiness, expertise, and relatability. Creating an authentic influencer marketing strategy requires careful planning and execution. Finding the right influencers is crucial for authentic influencer marketing. Look beyond vanity metrics like follower count and focus on factors such as shared values, audience relevance, and genuine engagement. Choose influencers who genuinely align with your brand's values and whose audience overlaps with your target market. Consider their content style, their values, and their overall online persona to ensure a good fit with your brand. Treat influencers as partners, not just paid promoters. Engage with their content, provide them with valuable experiences related to your brand, and support their own creative endeavors. This fosters a sense of mutual respect and trust, leading to more authentic and impactful collaborations that extend beyond one-off campaigns. Give influencers creative freedom to create content that reflects their unique voice and style, while still aligning with your brand's messaging and objectives. This ensures that the content feels authentic and resonates with their audience, as it comes across as a genuine endorsement rather than a scripted advertisement. Transparency is paramount in influencer marketing. Clearly disclose sponsored content to maintain transparency and trust with the audience. This can be done through clear labeling, hashtags, or verbal disclosures in videos. Being upfront about sponsored content builds trust with the audience and avoids any perception of deception. Track key metrics, such as engagement, reach, website traffic, and finally conversions to measure the effectiveness of your influencer marketing campaigns. This allows you to identify what's working, what's not, and optimize your strategies for better results. While authentic influencer marketing offers significant benefits, it also presents some challenges that marketers need to be aware of. Identifying truly authentic influencers can be challenging. It requires thorough research, careful vetting, and a deep understanding of your target audience and the influencer landscape. Tools like influencer marketing platforms and social listening tools can help with this process, but it's important to go beyond surface-level metrics and assess the influencer's overall authenticity and alignment with your brand. Authenticity can be subjective and difficult to measure. It's important to use a combination of qualitative and quantitative metrics to assess the authenticity of influencers and their content. Look for genuine engagement from their audience, consistent messaging, and a lack of overly promotional content. Maintaining authenticity over time can be challenging, especially as influencers gain popularity and attract more brand deals. It's important to choose influencers who are committed to their values and who prioritize genuine engagement with their audience, even as their reach expands. Regularly review their content and engagement to ensure they are staying true to their authentic selves. It's important to have a plan in place for managing potential influencer controversies. This includes conducting thorough background checks on influencers before partnering with them, having clear guidelines in your contracts regarding brand values and expected behavior, and being prepared to take action if an influencer does something that could damage your brand's reputation. To summarize, authentic influencer marketing is essential for building trust and credibility in today's skeptical age. By collaborating with influencers who genuinely align with your brand and resonate with your target audience, you can create impactful campaigns that drive engagement, conversions, and long-term brand advocacy. Remember, authenticity is not a trend. It's a core value that should be embedded in every aspect of your influencer marketing strategy.